around so we can see your faces. Guys, check out, oh my god, it looks so beautiful, and you're saying hi. So I decided to name these wigs after their makers. Okay, they are all full lace wigs, and they were made by different of my employees. Okay, and this particular one was made by Chinaza, and this is a synthetic hair. It's actually full lace. They are all full lace wigs. It's a synthetic hair, and the color is metallic gray. Okay, and this lady, hello over there, this is Miss Ebube, and Miss Ebube she's having a human hair full lace wig on right there. And over here we have this pretty janded babe. My worker said she's happy though. This is wig Uche. I don't know why they don't like her, but I think she's pretty, and she has a fiber hair, it's color 613 on her head. So I'm just going to ask them to you can see them, they're all looking pretty. So which one do you like, and which one would you like to order for? Please, these ones are taking no. They've paid for all these full lace wigs they're saying here. So if at all you're going to be ordering, it will be it will be on pre-order. Okay, you wouldn't be getting them immediately. So you can see how pretty these ladies are looking. Imagine when you braid on them, oh my god, magic will be happening. And then you get to choose the density you want, the length you want, the hair type you want. We are in for everything. I mean, we are available to handle whatever you want us to handle, especially when it comes to hair ventilating. Okay, that's lace wigs. So yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. You send me the one you would want to order for, and I will book you on time. I always advise people to book on time. So have a wonderful time, guys. Bye bye.